welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. As you can see from the title, today I finally got an M3 competition pack and we are obviously going to do a rolling run on it. A lot of people have asked me to do this video because it's a competition M2 and a M3 competition pack. They're kind of like the competition package, but obviously the M2 has way less more power. Although it's way less more power, it does have a little, I think it's 20 kilograms lighter. So M3 competition pack is 331 kilowatts, where the M2 competition is 302 kilowatts or 305 kilowatts as standard. So it's going to be, I think it's going to be a close race. The torque figure is 550 Newton meters on both. Just want to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. All the support that I get from you guys is amazing, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It'll mean a lot to me. I do bring at least one video a week, all about my car, or maybe a car event in South Africa, Cape Town, or a little bit of race like this, comparison videos. And if you guys want me to do anything else, put a comment below and I can see what I can do. Here he comes. Here comes the M3 CP. Look at this. Nice color. Little Reynolds. How's it? Johnny Tran. Guys, if you haven't seen him in my other video, I'll put a link on top. This guy's Johnny Tran with the S2000. And then we've got another white guy here. Yeah, he's what do you do? Race in Germany, eh?
Yeah, I race
with
at
BMW. Yeah.
BMW.
Wow.
So I know my fair share about cars.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
I've also driven this M3 as well.
On the Nürburgring?
No, just took it for a little spin. What was it, a few weeks ago?
Nice.
But I took it for a spin, really nice. Really
Quite
enjoyed
the
it.
experience in the passenger with a professional driver.
Crazy, eh? We should, so that the next video, when we do a next video on us, definitely must drive me in my M2 comp.
Yeah, I'd love to. With a pleasure.
Just bring a spare pair of pants.
Just diapers, bring lots
Yeah,
of
lots
diapers.
of diapers, don't worry, I got children.
Oh, there you go, then you're sorted.
What's it? Cool, so guys, let's not, let's quickly get to the terms and conditions.
Oh yeah.
So we're not going to go above 120 km an hour. We're going to stick to the speed limit, even though it's a rolling race. Hello, good to see you. Damien from ATM. How's it, Damien? You are?
Lekker man, you always filming here, eh?
Yeah, no, this is the
How's it,
N7
dude?
spot.
Damien,
That's
I've met you before.
Shiro. Oh, white people all look the same. I got you guys back. What you doing here?
Testing the exhaust.
Not a donut.
Can do a donut as well.
Okay.
We did the VIE exhaust. The valve closed at the moment. Valve open.
Yo! You know, I think we need to get out of here as well.
Not tired.
Oh my word. Alright guys. Okay guys, we are ready for the race. It's going to be exciting, something that a lot of people are waiting for. Let's hope we don't mess up. We've got Shiro on the line and we've got the other white guy on the line. I cannot remember his name.
That's the GTR.
That's a GTR, yes. Yeah, wait, what? Oh my god, it's a GTR. Interesting.
That's a GTR. Oh wait, oh my god, it's a GTR.
Come up, come up. We're neck and neck. We're gonna go.
Oh, we're gonna go, okay, second gear.
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hurry up.
Okay. Oh. A bit slow. Traction control kicked in on my side.
Yeah, don't go second gear.
Power, going second.
I think go from third gear.
Yeah.
So let's go up the road here and we make a turn. Watch out for cars, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, no cars, you are clear.
Alright, cool. Get in front. Okay, slow down. Slow down.
I'm at 60.
Space. Okay, let me just pull up
Console,
next to
come
you.
pull up next to me.
Right, 60.
Okay, do it.
Ready? Go. Third gear? Yeah.
That was a close one.
That was close. Alright.
Alright, we're clear.
We're good.
Good?
Okay, ready?
Good.
Go. Reeling him in and... Bikes.
Yeah, I kind of stopped before that, but I was keeping my mark.
I think I was closing slowly.
You were definitely closing.
Slowly.
Yeah, you were definitely closing. That was interesting.
Very interesting and very close.
Very interesting. Very close. I mean, we would have thought like, okay, 25 kilowatts more, but you know, everyone thinks like, oh, 25 kilowatts, you're gonna kill this guy.
It's a very slow, yeah, it's a very slow, and I think that, you know, like we were saying, the lighter car off the line, because you got the same torque,
yeah,
you sort of pull neck on neck.
Yeah, exactly,
Know?
yeah.
And then after, in the higher rev ranges, the car starts creeping in, but it's a very slow.
Correct.
It's a very slow gap.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the 20 kilowatts definitely did help.
It did help.
With like, kind of, you know.
Do you think it would be?
But
like,
you would have. I would have thought. Look, I seriously would have thought that he would have like pulled me half a car already.
I think in the same gear even.
Yeah.
It would have just
jumped me half a car and then like carried on pulling, and I'm trying to catch up. But it was. It also all depends. Look, I mean, look, our thing that we did today and all my other videos that I do, it's not always perfect. I mean, you never go on 3 or on go.
I think so.
You can never do that. So whoever, because these two cars are so similar.
Whoever gets their foot down first.
Exactly. I mean, whoever gets the foot down, like you said.
I think only unless you're doing like a top end run.
Yeah,
you
top
know,
end
where
run.
you're
Yeah.
sort of clocking the limits.
But then again, we do have the same motor. You just have a different flash.
Quicker,
Bring the Honda S2000, Johnny Tran.
Would you guys like to see more of this 2000?
I would. Guys, this guy does have. Okay, it's not Johnny Tran, but I'll put a little thing here. You guys can follow him on Instagram. Does lots of beautiful pictures of the M3 CP. So go show him some love. Please comment down below. if you lasted so long till the video, until the end. Comment below and tell me what you guys think. And also tell us what we should do next, or you know what car I should race next. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure, and
thank
I'll
you.
see you again next time.
Yeah. We'll definitely see each other. All right, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. Cheers. So what's so iconic about the M cars?
So you know what's so iconic about the M cars, especially the competitions, specifically the competitions, is they come with these 4 pipes. And the fact that there's 4 of them makes it 4 times as special as 1 pipe. Gangster.
Gangster.
The BMW badge.
Oh wow, because of
So
the blue.
It's this round shape with this silver lining, and it really kind of creates this iconic look for BMWs since they've come out.
You know the grills here, they're iconic to BMW. You find them on all the BMWs, and that's what makes it so special.
Oh wow, that's
And this
special.
specific one doesn't come with fog lights because you don't need to see anything. You just drive.
Yes.
You know?
But it's an M3, you know how do I know? It's got the badge right here that says it's an M3.
That's fake. It's actually a 330i.
Yes.